Good evening. Welcome to WTLE News on Channel 9. I'm Emmy White, and tonight we're covering the recent eruption of Eldfell on the island of Heimaey in Iceland. Tremors began to shake the ground on the 21st of January, and 2 days later, on the 23rd, at 2 a.m., the eruption began, not stopping until this morning, the morning of January 24th. Tonight, we have Lauren Gardner stationed at the scene, and later we'll hear from certified volcanologist Taylor Gashu. Lauren?
Thanks, Emmy. Here we are on site at Heimaey, where just recently lava was erupting in an eruption known as a curtain of fire. It was certainly a sight to see. The lava flows came dangerously close to cutting off the harbor, which is the main source of Heimaey's income. However, people were actually able to use seawater and fire hoses to slow down the lava and save their harbor. So far, there's only been one casualty. Warnings were issued on time and everyone evacuated safely. The town has been completely buried, but the people are thankful they escaped with their lives. Lauren Gardner, WTLE News. Back to Emmy.
Thank you, Lauren. Now over to Taylor Gashu, our local volcanologist, who will tell us the science behind the eruption. Taylor?
Thanks, Emmy. Eldfell has been dormant for thousands of years, which is why this eruption took people by surprise. Iceland is very prone to volcanism. One of the reasons is because Iceland lies in a hot spot. A hot spot is a plume of heat in the mantle. This heat causes the material to melt and then rise out through the crust. This rising can create volcanoes as lava extrudes, and then as time goes on, it can create an island. As the plate moves, more islands are created over the hotspot. The other reason is because Iceland lies in a divergent boundary. Divergent boundaries are caused by upwelling. The upwelling causes convection currents in the mantle, which will then pull apart the plates. Upwelling also causes the edges of the rift this will create to rise, which will then create decompression melting and melt the materials in the mantle. These materials will rise out of the rift and clog as lava. They will clog up the rift and eventually explode. These are called fissure eruptions, which are also known as curtains of fire. This is what happened with Eldfell. Eldfell is a cinder cone volcano. This means it's made of pyroclastics. Pyroclastics are things like ash. The lava was then easily able to come through the sides of the volcano. Also, this lava was very basaltic, as it came from things like divergent boundaries, which usually run through the ocean, although this one ran through land. Because the lava was basaltic, it was also very viscous, as the basaltic lava is very slow and can trap gas. This makes the lava more explosive. Back to Emmy.
Thank you, Taylor. This has been WTLE Channel 9 News with Emmy White. Stay safe and good night.